Let's make jerk fried chicken wings using DivineKuizine's jerk rub and jerk sauce. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready. I've already cleaned, we've dried the wings, we've done all that good stuff. So now we're getting ready to season these jerk wings. So we have some salt, my favorite, seasoned pepper, and then of course the DivineKuizine jerk rub, jerk seasoning that we're gonna use because we're jerking them. So I'm gonna put maybe 2 teaspoons in here. So like I always say, you put as much as you want for the heat intake that you want to get. I can smell the spices, so it looks like this, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and season our flour. Okay, y'all, so let's get ready to season our flour. So I just have some all-purpose flour here. I'm probably gonna do like 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. For extra crunch, I'm gonna use some cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of that. So we got salt, we have onion powder, a little bit of cayenne, not a lot, just a little, give it a little kick. And some seasoned pepper. We're gonna just stir all that together, all the seasonings and spices together. And then we're gonna take our jerk chicken that is marinating. And it's jerk chicken rub, DivineKuizine's jerk chicken rub. And we're gonna flour these, and then we're gonna set them to the side and let them sit for probably about 15 minutes before we fry them. The chicken has been marinating for a few minutes, the jerk chicken. So now we're gonna coat it into our flour and cornstarch mixture. And we're gonna take this side, tap the sides, the excess off. And we're gonna put it on this tray. We're just gonna repeat that with all the chicken wings. And then we're gonna set them to the side for about 15 minutes. So this is another way you can use DivineKuizine's jerk seasoning. To get more recipes, always go, check me out if you're watching me right now on YouTube. And you can get the products on Amazon, at my website, DivineKuizine.com. We're on a TikTok shop as well. So there's various places. And if you're in Georgia, you can get it at the Atlanta's Fresh Farmers Market. So yeah, so we're gonna jerk these up, y'all. Jerk these up. Okay, y'all, so we've been 15 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and fry them. And the heat is probably about 350, 375. We're just gonna fry up these bad boys, and it's probably gonna be about 15. Hey y'all, so I heated up some of the DivineKuizine jerk sauce. We got our jerk wings ready. So I'm gonna put a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper, a little bit in here. We're going to put it on there. Get them all nice. Okay y'all, so we got our jerk chicken wings nice and glazed up with the, seasoned with our, and marinated with our DivineKuizine jerk rub, jerk seasoning, and then we went in and glazed them with the DivineKuizine jerk sauce. So I'm just gonna try to, aesthetically put them up here nice. Then we're going to take scotch bonnet pepper. That's optional. A little greenery, y'all. Can't wait to go in for the taste. This is another way you can use two of my products. You can get them at DivineKuizine.com, on YouTube, but I am ready to go in and who don't like a chicken wing? It's got a kick to it. So it's got a little spice to it, but a little sweetness because you get, I taste a little spice from the jerk rub on the chicken, but the jerk sauce is kind of a sweet, twangy flavor. So you taste that, so you got the heat, then you got the sweet. Good, they real good. I can't wait to go in for some more. I can have some rice and peas with this, or some plantains or something. But this is a must make. You see how easy it was? We seasoned up our chicken wings with the DivineKuizine Jerk Rub. Then we went in at the end after they were fried with the DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. The best duo ever. The best duo ever. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Check me out on my YouTube, TikTok. But I'm about to go in for another one of these wings, y'all. It's good. I kind of get more of the spice in my mouth, the heat in my mouth. But then, like I said, it's not too overpowering. It's not too hot where I can't eat them and I can't enjoy the heat because you got the sweet heat. All right. Love y'all. Chef Shay.